Good morning, students. Let us see example 10. A hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted as shown in the figure. This is hemispherical dome which is to be painted. Ahead it is given, if the circumference of the base of dome is 17.6 meter. Circumference of the base of dome. Now this is very important. What is circumference of base of dome? If you see here, I have taken one shape which is looking like a dome, which is hemispherical in the shape. Now if you see, it is given to us that circumference of the base of dome. Now circumference of the base of dome means this circle is base of the dome. This is dome shape. So if you see, this circle is the base of dome, and as it is circular in the shape, that means this part is given to us 17.6. Now what is circumference of the base given? It is given to us 17.6 meter. So 17.6 meter is equal to circumference of base of this dome. That means C is equal to 2 pi r, means 2 pi r is 17.6. So if this is dome, then base, that means this circular part, is 17.6. Now we know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So here now, circumference of dome, base of dome is 17.6 meter. So circumference is 2 pi r. That means 17.6 is equal to 2 pi r. We know the value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius here we want to find. So taking this 2 into 22 by 7 on the other side of equal to, it will get reciprocal. So 17.6 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So here 17.6 into 7 first you will do, and you will divide it by 22 into 2, that means 44. So when you will solve, you will get answer of radius 2.8 meter. That means base of this dome is of radius 2.8 meter. Now its outer surface area is to be painted, means this area is to be painted. Now as this is hemisphere, so surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So here now CSA of dome is 2 pi r square, that is 2, value of pi 22 by 7. Radius already we found right now 2.8 meters, so we can write 28 by 10 into 28 by 10. 7 4s are 28. Only one cancellation is possible here. So multiplying 2 into 22 into 4 into 28, we get 4928. But denominator is having 100, so we will get 2 points here. So answer is 49.28 meter square. Now here cost of painting is given in centimeter square. That cost of painting this dome is 5 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So here now, first of all, let us convert meter square into centimeter square. 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter square. So here 49.28 meter square, when we convert it in centimeter, it is 492800 centimeter square. Let us see how it comes. As I told you, 1 meter square is 10,000 centimeter square. So 49.28 meter square is how much centimeter square? Cross multiplying. So 49.28 into 10,000. So 49.28 we can write 4928 upon 100. So 20 will get cancelled. So 4928 into 100 it is 492,800 centimeter square. Now here cost of painting is given for 100 centimeter square 5 rupees. So our centimeter is 492,800 centimeter square is equal to how much rupees? Cross multiplying. So 5 into 492,800 upon 100, 20 will get cancelled. Multiplying 5 with 4928, we get answer 24,640 rupees. That means to paint the dome, the cost is 24,640 rupees.